Let's start with the mishap that has happened in April. If you follow me on my personal Instagram, I did mention over there that I was down for a few days because I started feeling this sharp pain on my spine. I went to the doctors, got referred to a specialist, did my x-ray and my MRI scans, and the diagnosis was that I have a tear on my spine. Even up until today, I need to be very careful with my movement, the way I walk, when I sit, when I lie down on my back, or when I carry things as well. I need to be extremely careful, and the doctor did mention that I would need 6 weeks to heal. The entire process, being in and out of the specialist clinic and also GP clinics, cost me $1,492.15, of which I'm gonna be claiming this with my accident plan that I have. I'm not sure whether a lot of you do hold accident plans, but you can claim things that happen as a result of an accident. I did my first claim and it went through. The second part, with all this imaging testing, the claims has not been approved yet. I'm still waiting on the results, and I will let you guys know if that is successful down the road. But this expense in my April Money Diaries, I did not recognize it as an expense just yet. Cross my fingers, I'm hoping that all of this goes well so I'll be able to claim, but it is inevitable. Any hospital or any accident, any medical bills that comes along with it is honestly inevitable. So you never really know what will happen. Get yourself covered. I just want to add a little bit of a mention right over here. Everdesk and ErgoTune, yes, they have sponsored me in this entire setup, but because of the recent injury that I've experienced, I truly believe everyone should be investing into good quality products, especially if you're a person who sits at your desk, do your work here for hours on end. Even though yes, upfront you are paying a lot for it, but if you divide it over the number of years that you'll be using these products, every single month you're probably only paying $10 or $20. Right now, with my spinal injury, I have to adjust different positions whenever I'm working. Even as I'm filming this video, I feel a pressure down on my lower back, which I will soon have to adjust into a standing position to do my work. And with the EverDesk, I can simply just at a turn of a button, press and be able to stand and do my work. And when I want to sit down, I have the ErgoTune chair to support my lumbar at my lower back so that I can sit for longer hours, and it will support my back with the injury that I have. For many years, I've been using a normal office chair and it has deteriorated my back over a period of time. I do have a slight slip disc as well, so honestly, it's a great investment. I'll put the links down in the description box below. I don't earn anything from this link. I truly believe these kind of things are worth an investment into. So check out those links down in the description box below. Now let's go into my budgeting spreadsheet for my expenses for April. Let's go. For those of you who have not signed up with Weibo, their promotion has been extended up until 31st of May, and all you need to do is to just sign up, create an account, top up any amount above 1 cent, so do like 50 cents, and you'll be able to get USD 50 minimally and up to USD $500 worth of these shares right over here. In addition to that, because it's their 1-year birthday, they're actually giving you a chance to win a Tesla Model 3. So for those of you who have signed up but have not opened an account or have not topped up, you can top up right now and still be qualified for a chance to win the Tesla Model 3. So for those of you who have not created an account with them, do so. Scan this QR code right over here. If not, link down in the description box below and get minimally USD $50. Let's get back into today's video. For the month of April, I spent a total of $1,619.36. I will go through every single thing why I spent so much this month, but if you see the red color words, those are anomaly expenses which I don't tend to incur every single month. For business expense this month, it came up to a total of $267.52. Business expense, I will count anything that has to do with YouTube. Take for example, this month I spent $100 over on a Mac keyboard, which will help me when I edit my videos. I'm eyeing the Magic Trackpad next, which will cost $100 over again, and the other $100 was actually to be able to host my website. For those of you who missed out on my last video, I did mention that I have a website under my own name. So if you go to demizhuang.com on Google, you'll be able to find my own personal website, and if you want to find out more about me, you can head over there. In total for this month in April, I spent $267.52 for business related, YouTube related. For the other section, $442. $400 is for my facial package. So for all of you who are guys, I know you don't understand this kind of expenses, but yes, I spent $400 on facial. $42, $40 to cut my hair. $2 is actually the SSB application. So Singapore Savings Bond for the month of April, I did apply because I'm foreseeing that I won't be able to earn interest on my savings account in the later half of this year. I decided to lock in the SSB at 3% for this month. Shopping, $109.16 is when I bought things like my sunscreen, my facial wash, etc. That is $106, of which I do not spend every single month to buy this kind of product. So this is an anomaly for April. My social meal outs this month is a little bit higher, and also my gifts for this month is higher. So social meal outs is when I go out and eat my friends, my family, or even when I spend my alone time, me time, as you can see over here. In total for April, I spent $393.65 on social meal out, work meals, me time, and groceries. Work meals, because of my spine, I have not been going out for work. I'm working from home, which I still will be for the next few weeks because honestly my back hasn't been improving a lot. Groceries was a total of $47 because I spend a lot of my time at home, so I need to prepare for food as well. For bus and MRT, this month is at $16.34. I didn't go out much, which is why this is so low. For bus and MRT, I'm using the Standard Chartered Smart Card. If you do not know what this card is, I'll put the link to the no minimum spending card combination for your everyday spending right over here for your reference. The Standard Chartered Smart will give you an overall 6% rebate, if not 5.57 miles per dollar on your public transportation, subscriptions, fast food, etc. Cab and car was at $40.10. I top up my cash card $30. $10.10 was when I took a cab down to my sister's place. For gifts this month is $321.30. Of this $321, it was two occasions. One was my niece who just turned a month old, and also Mother's Day. So we celebrated Mother's Day in advance, and this is a total of $321. Entertainment was at $0. Travel $0. Giving was at $29.29. So in total for April, I spent a whopping $1,600. And for my fixed expenses, as usual, it has always maintained the same at $674.82 for the month of April, and will continue to be at this amount until circumstances change. For the month of April, I spent a total of $2,294.18. So this is generally higher. With my own income, even with this spending, it is considered relatively higher. So now let's go into my investments. What did I buy into this month? Let's go. For this month, I really didn't invest into a lot of investments. So for stocks, I bought into Far East Hospitality, a small amount. I have a video coming up comparing between SafeTrade and Moomoo. For those of you who are new and beginners to investing, which platform should you go with after comparing between the costs? So stay tuned for that video. I decided to apply for the Singapore Savings Bond 5,000 at 3% for the next 10 years. And for T-bill, the 6-month T-bill for last month actually came up to 3.83% if I'm not wrong. So I placed 10,000 over there, and you'll be locked up for the next 6 months. After the 6 months end, and then I'll see how the market is like, and I'll deploy the rest of the cash. So that is my investments for this month. For those of you who are new to investing, I do have a series of videos talking about how I got myself started investing into the S&P 500, into Singapore REITs and others as well. I'll link the playlist up above and also down below for your reference. For investments this month, that is it. Let's go into my income table right now. For bond interest this month, it was a total of $244.85. The payout came from the Temasek bond, which I've held for many years now. It is only at a coupon rate of 2.7%, of which I received $53.85 for the month of April. For T-bill, I received a total of $191 based on a rate of 3.83%. The bank interest is $44.28. Cashback is at $1.39. For the HSBC Revolution, I did not redeem the points for cashback, but I'm accumulating it for miles. The reasons behind why I'm going for miles, I have a video covering that. I'll link up above and down below. HSBC Revolution is a very versatile card. You can either go for cashback or you can go for the 4 miles per dollar. Commercial break. Sorry, just kidding. My back started to hurt, so I'm gonna stand up and film the remaining parts of the video. For YouTube income for this month, YouTrip is $25. For those of you who sign up with my referral link for YouTrip, you get $5 and I also get $5. They have actually suspended my account because of a fraud transaction. So once that happens, they will suspend your account, find out more about what happened, and then replace your card. So when you use multi-currency cards like Wise, YouTrip, Revolut, etc., you will be prone to this kind of things, fraud transactions. Even with our usual credit cards, it does happen as well. It's inevitable in some way, so don't worry, they will always find out about what happened, and then you can refute the transactions that has actually been charged to your card. YouTube AdSense for this month is at a total of $279.24. This comprised of 2 months, from February and also March. My YouTube income these days are at $5 to $8. It fluctuates every single day based on how you guys watch my videos, the number of views I get, and also how much advertisers are willing willing to pay for, the YouTube AdSense revenue will fluctuate. For April itself, I'm expecting a little bit of an increase. I'll show you guys in a subsequent video. And for BMAC is when you guys buy my budgeting spreadsheet on Buy Me a Coffee. So Buy Me a Coffee is where I list all of the products that I have. Some free, some is paid. The budgeting spreadsheet, I've been listing it since I started my YouTube channel. It is time and effort spent into building my own budgeting spreadsheet and being able to track my income expenses. Something new I want to add is a net worth page where you can actually calculate your entire net worth. BMAC this month is at $207.67. For Trust Bank, because the Trust Bank video picked up this month, I received a total of $930 in NTUC vouchers. That is something that I usually give out to my family for them to use, and even for myself when I buy groceries as well. I was actually contemplating whether should I be sharing this, but as I mentioned, I want to be as transparent as I can be on this channel and hopefully be able to inspire all of you to also kickstart your own side hustle. I've been spending a lot of time doing YouTube for the past 1 year, and only recently in this month had I seen a significant increase in income. For those of you who have supported this channel just by signing up with whatever links that I've put down in the description box below, I truly want to say that I'm grateful and I'm thankful for all of you out here. With whatever information I put out on this channel, I hope it will help you in your own journey into adulting, into saving more, budgeting, investing, etc. With whatever nugget of information that I can put out here, I will, and I hope you guys will continue supporting this YouTube channel as well, and hopefully I can be as relevant to you guys. 1 year ago in April 2022, I started my YouTube channel, and in April 2023, I started seeing significant results from my side hustle, which is this. Thank you for following along on this journey, and I look forward to growing more with you guys. This is April's Money Diaries. If you want to see anything else in the Money Diaries series, leave it down in the comment section below. If not, you can DM me on Instagram. If you want to kickstart your side hustle and you don't know how to, hop onto the one-to-one call with me, and it is absolutely for free. I do it just so I can meet more of you out there and also to give back to the community after so much has happened on this YouTube channel. So thank you guys for following along, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.